Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sounds to Discord soundboard on mobile. This will be a full guide, so follow along. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. First things first, what you need to know is basically, however, you cannot add it on the app itself. Basically, what to do is how to bypass the limitation is using your phone's mobile browser. Basically, go ahead and exit out the app real quick and go to any browser of your choice and then type in Discord browser right over here. This could be Google Chrome or anything. Just go ahead and click on it and click on the first link as you can see right over here, Discord right here. Click on it and it'll ask you to sign in. Let's just go ahead and log in. Once you sign in right over here on the desktop browser. By the way, make sure, just a quick tip, make sure that this is currently on a desktop mode on your browser. If not, it will just ask you to download the app. Now right over here, just go ahead and click on your server right over here. Basically click on the sample server right over here on the top. Click on server settings. Click on Soundboard, as you can see on the expression right over here. And basically you can upload sounds right over here. You can use your files on your phone and your ringtone. Basically that will be all. And if you guys can't find it right over here, just go ahead, let me go ahead and back out real quick. You can go ahead and choose your file of your choice to put your sounds. Basically that will be all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.